I am leading a project which involves helping small-scale macadamia farmers how to supplement their food and how also to protect the environment and also at the same time sequester carbon so that they can tackle climate change. In this project, farmers grow macadamia nuts alongside other conventional crops like maize or groundnut, and this helps ensure that they have macadamia nuts which are valuable in terms of cash, but also they are useful in terms of nutrition as well. But at the same time, they are resilient to potential, for example, floods or extreme climate conditions. We started our relationship with a Nano Macadamia Trust, which is a charity based in Bedford, who were working with a Malawian macadamia cooperative. So as part of that relationship, we were trying to identify what could we do with the data being collected and help improve production, as well as understand the farming system. So as part of that, we were fortunate to get a grant from the Global Challenges Research Fund of the UK government, which enabled us to fund a PhD with my colleague Emmanuel Zuza, who came from Malawi and who is well experienced with the area and the production, and he's done fantastic work both in the field and away from the field, modeling and also understanding the farming system and the future of the macadamia crop.
One of the key findings of my study is that 5% of the smallholder macadamia farmers in Malawi are youth aged between 18 to 30. And this is quite interesting because most of the research conducted in Malawi reports that macadamia is grown by elderly with an average age of 50. So finding out that there is 5% of youth involved is quite interesting because it shows that more youth are becoming acquainted to macadamia production, which is also the future for the production of the crop.
We found some interesting things in a sense that we are able to extrapolate whether the macadamia growing land would be less or more in response to climate change. And we have found that up to 1/5 of areas in Malawi would not be suitable for climate change for growing macadamia in the future. And also we have found out some understanding of why farmers choose certain types of cultivars and whether there is a knowledge transfer between younger farmers and older farmers.